packing the court, Democrat lawmakers have introduced a new proposal. This will be formally introduced today to add 4 additional Supreme Court justices to the Supreme Court. The co-sponsors of this bill include House Judiciary Committee Chairman Jerry Nadler and Massachusetts Senator Ed Markey. This follows President Biden's signing of an executive order last week that created a commission to explore the pros and cons of expanding the nation's top court. Joining me right now is House Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy. Congressman, it's always a pleasure to see you. Thank you so much for being here this morning. We heard all about threats that this would happen during the election season. Now we're getting a bill. Your reaction?
This should scare every single American, regardless of where you stand politically. The Democrats inside Congress today rather dismantle this nation than dignify the Constitution. This just goes to show how far the Democrat Party has moved. There almost are no longer common sense or moderate Democrats elected. Even Joe Biden in the past was opposed to this. Those Democrats in the Supreme Court were opposed to this. Because what this simply does is it's about control. It's overtaking a branch of government simply to have your control over a nation. It must be the scariest thing I've ever heard them do. I never thought they would go this far. But now they're not only proposing it, they're moving it in legislation form.